try to put the flywheel back on today. We got a guest helper here today. Dad, he's a little camera shy. He's running away. We're gonna get him anyways though. Here we go. This is a engine mounting plate. We had a crack in it right through this region here where the starter bolted on. We ground that out and welded it, and we're ready to go back together. Go ahead and have Dad lift it up there. It hit that dowel pin. There you go. I think we should probably put Loctite on this.
Yeah, clean the bolts first.
Yeah, let's clean the bolts, put Loctite on it. I have to charge your battery.
I got one in the car.
Gonna torque the large engine mounting bolts to approximately 59 foot-pounds. It's like the impact had it, no problem. Now the smaller bolts, checking for 35 foot-pounds. Got them, no problem. Some of the ears of the fan blades were broken off. I believe that was in a previous U-joint explosion. We tested it for static balance and believe someone repaired it. It's within close proximity. All right, you ready?
I've been ready.
You're impatient. So the orange goes over here.
Yep.
Another orange ruffle. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's set it down. And that was a fail. So, round two with gloves. Can't. Hold on a minute.
I see a line right there, so kind of close to that. Right there's that line. You got one line? This thing's somewhere. I think go down. Keep it down. There? Yes, right there. No, here it is. Put it in there. Alright. You don't need to know. I can move it somewhat. What's that? That way right there. This is not at all. It's over. You're moving too far. The whole thing over. That's what it is. Wow.
Alright, I think we finally got one started. That was kind of a pain. Fits surprisingly loosey-goosey on that. That doesn't hurt my feelings too much. Torque them to the lower spec first. There you got it. Okay. There's a lot of bolts in there. Nope, wrong way. Yeah, so I'm doing this double check between this one. Oh, dialed up to 90.
There's a mark, and that.
Here we go.
Need to move.
No, I feel like it's in there.
Start all four of them. They're grade 8.
So let's go check the grade 8. 45 to 54. I don't think we should go more than 45.
45 is enough, I think. You don't want that coming loose. You have to pull the motor to get at them.
Alright, we're gonna dial it up to 45 because they're grade 8 bolts and I just didn't like that 28 foot-pounds. Ooh, that scares me. It ain't stopping.
It should be cracking.
Oh, there it is. It's getting a little sketchy there.
Dick around.
Quick and cast iron. You have it on video. He said 45. We made 45, starting to sweat a little bit.
You don't want that coming loose.
Here we go, new U-joint. Install the starter now. Looks like I got it rotated the wrong way, don't I?
Things like that.
Did I give you 2 bolts or just 1? Okay. Did I give you 2 bolts or just 1?
You need another bolt.
So we'll need 2 9/16.
Yeah.
Ratchet in.
Here, use that ratchet. I'm too tight in here.
This is the one the airport police stole from me. Had to get a new one. It's not as good as the old one. Doesn't have the thing you can repair it. TSA.
Mine don't have that thing. What are you talking about?
My original one did, so they threw it away. Okay. Okay, try this again.
Yeah, you don't want to tie it down there. It's sparking.
I think it's gonna work.
It fired.
Yeah.
Don't want that.
Alright, with Dad's help, we got the flywheel reinstalled, the U-joint pump coupling installed, and the starter motor. Also gave her a little test bump to make sure the starter engagement was right. We also installed the rear engine mounting plate before the flywheel. Getting closer.
Quit doing it.
Do you want to say goodbye? Thanks for helping.
No.
You want to say hello to everybody?
240K. That's a lot of money.
Yeah. No one's gonna buy it now. There's the old truck, and there's Dad. She's a beaut.
We got a good cab for this. We gotta change it.
Gotta do that too. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you made it this far, you know we finally bumbled around enough to get the flywheel properly aligned with the crankshaft. Next time, we need to take a couple extra bolts, lop the heads off of them, and use them as guide pins to slide the flywheel up to the crankshaft. Make things a whole lot easier. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.